Creating ads from scratch can sometimes be very time consuming. Speed PPC has two AI tools to help you overcome writer's block and create compelling ads. With our Write For Me AI feature, you just need to provide your product, sales pitch, and keywords, and it will provide highly relevant headlines and descriptions. In addition, our Magic Rewriter can improve or rewrite your current headlines and descriptions. Using these two tools simultaneously will halve the amount of time you spend writing ads. Okay, let's get started. In this video, we will be using our Fast Freddy's Bike Shop as an example. On the Ad Setup screen, click the Write For Me button. Fill out the fields in the pop-up box. You can click the same button over and over again until you reach the maximum headlines and descriptions. You can also click the pencil icon beside the Write For Me button to edit or update fields at any time. If you'd like to improve the current headlines and descriptions, you can use our Magic Rewriter feature. The field should be populated first, or else the wand icon for Magic Rewriter will be grayed out. Click the wand icon to use Magic Rewriter, and a drop-down menu will show suggestions. Click on one of the suggestions and it will replace the text in the field. From here, you can use dynamic keyword insertion, copy, edit, and delete the recommendations. Once you're satisfied, add your final URL and mobile URL, click on New Ad Version to create more ads, or finish to proceed to the Preview and Export screen.